For a lot of caregivers, the world gets smaller so slowly you never notice it happening, until one day it's very small. In our garden of wellness, this is the plot of social wellness, where we tend to our connections, the trellis we all lean on. Maybe it happened slowly. At first, friends called, and you couldn't talk. You were mid-task, mid-crisis. You'd call back later, except later never came. The invitations thinned. The hobbies got shelved until things calmed down. And one day, you looked up, and the world had narrowed to you and the person you care for. Caregiving rarely announces that it's isolating you. It just quietly closes the doors, one at a time. Social wellness isn't about being popular or busy. It's the warmth of the people in your life, family, friends, neighbors, even the cashier you greet. And if the trellis is bare where it used to be full, that's not because you did anything wrong. It's where caregiving leads. The good news, a trellis can be rebuilt, one strand at a time. And chances are, the people who drifted didn't stop caring, they just stopped knowing how to reach you. Someone out there is missing you, too. Loneliness wears on the body and mind as surely as a missed night of sleep. Connection protects us, especially when we're carrying something heavy. You were never meant to do this alone, and you don't have to. First, reach out. Don't wait to be remembered. Remember someone. Send the one-line text. Mail the card. Make the call you keep meaning to make. The person who reaches first gives the gift. Be that person this week, just once. Second, show up, however small. You may not get out for an evening, so let people come to you. A friend at the kitchen table, a neighbor on the porch for 10 minutes. Being there is half of everything, and there can be your own front step. Third, listen. Really listen. Not waiting for your turn, just hearing the person in front of you. Caregivers spend the day managing and fixing, so pure listening can feel like rest. It deepens the connection and gives your problem-solving mind a break. And fourth, forgive. Caregiving strains relationships. The sibling who didn't help, the friend who drifted. You don't have to carry every grievance. Set down the small ones so your arms are free for the people still here. Forgiveness isn't saying it was fine. It's choosing to stop letting it weigh on you. So here's something to try this week. Whose voice have you been missing? Could you be the one to reach out first? One text, one call. That's the strand that starts the trellis growing again. Presented by Southwest Idaho Area Agency on Aging.